Presenting the Mi Sports Bluetooth earphones that is suitable for all your sports and outdoor activities. This wireless earphone features durable MEMS silicone microphones that provides clarity of voice in calls, giving you hands-free calling experience even on the move. It also supports Google Assistant for all the voice commands. It delivers up to 9 hours of continuous playback that lets you enjoy uninterrupted music and videos during all your workouts. Mi Sports earphones is ultra lightweight and truly wireless. It comes with a 360-degree rotatable ear hook design that can be adjusted to an appropriate angle according to the user's ear shape for complete comfort. It also comes with 5 different sized earbuds for a snug and secure fit. The earphone is also IPX4 sweat and splash proof, making it suitable for all kinds of sports activities. The Mi earphone features 10 drivers that provide high quality sound and enhanced bass response for an immersive audio experience. The ultra-thin PET diaphragm stabilizes vibrations and reduces distortion for a superior audio experience. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming. It also comes with an inline 3-button remote to easily manage your music and calls. This Mi earphone is available in black and white color variants. Inside the box, you will find Mi Sports earphones, user manual, ear tips, charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.